Hey everybody, Ken Birdsall here from Sunnyside Chevrolet. This just came off the truck. It's the new 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the new body style. This is gonna be a quick walk around, so stick around if you just want to check it out real quick. If you want more information, make sure you check out that link in the top right hand corner. It's gonna be cool. All right, like I said, this is gonna be a quick walk around. Really cool stuff here, guys. This is the new body style. Really awesome LED front. You got these quarter panel air vents. You can see right through. Really helps with the aerodynamics. It's about 7% more efficient. You got fog lights up front. They changed the Silverado to up top here. Really cool 20-inch rims on this one. That's not standard. This is the crew cab. I'm going to let you check it out from this angle. It's got a nice spoiler off the back of the cab and then off the back tailgate as well. Bigger steps here for your corner steps. This is an RST trim. It's in black, just black. You've got your rear backup camera, your trailering mirror as well. This one's really cool. Watch this. Woohoo! Power liftgate right there. It's manual going back up. This is aluminum. All your movable panels are aluminum. Your fixed stationary panels are all still steel. Your bed is still steel. This one has a nice bed package in it. You've got a 120 volt back here, spray in bed liner, rear wheelhouse liners as well. You got about 3 inches more of legroom to the back. It sits about 1.5 inches taller. This thing is 450 pounds lighter. You've got the rear sliding window. You've got hidden compartments right here on both sides. This thing folds up. Really, really sweet. All kinds of safety features. It's really designed for trailering. There's new apps here. You got Bose speakers, power adjusting seat. These are heated seats. If you notice, it has a console that sits down low. It doesn't get in the way. It's not bulky. 8-inch MyLink radio, 4G Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible, dual climate control, integrated trailer brake controller. It does have the auto stop feature, and it can be turned off right here. There's a switch, easy switch for it here. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free, color driver information center, 4-wheel drive select, electronic park brake. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission with dynamic fuel management, which means it will go all the way down to 1 cylinder if that's all you need. You're going cruising downhill, that's going to save you some gas right there. This thing is really cool. If you guys have questions, give me a call at 440-365-7311. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Share this. Appreciate it, guys. You have a great day. We'll catch you later.